Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial where we are going to talk about the container widget in Flutter.
Hello guys, Zacksoft here. On this channel I'll be making weekly videos about mobile programming and Flutter. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button, share this video to one or two of your friends and drop a like. Without further ado, let's jump in.
A container widget is a box layout which helps you to style and organize your app layout. So let's start. Let's create a class home where we are going to put all the layout and all the UI that we are going to need in this tutorial. So let's hit the shortcut ST for creating a stateless widget and return a scaffold which will give us the possibility to put the home. So let's create our scaffold. In the body, if you didn't watch the video for the scaffold, you can check it in our playlist and understand what the scaffold is about and what the required widget. So in our body we return a container, which is the main subject of this tutorial, and you can see it has some required attributes. So it can take a height, a width, a color, a decoration, a padding, a margin, and many others. So you can see we give it a width of double infinity, which means that it will take the available space. Let's give it a color. Let's say color blue gray, and yeah, now we have a basic container. So let's run it and see the output in our emulator. So you can see it is on top, and we want to make it in the center of our screen. So let's wrap it with a center and see what's happened. Yeah, now it is in the middle of our screen. So we can continue. Let's say the margin, which is the space from all the side. So let's give it 30 and see what's happened. Alright, now we have a space from left, top, bottom, and all the sides. So you can see that the container, yeah, is very easy to style and understand. So it take a child, so let's give it a text. Let's say container. So the child is a widget, so it can take any type of widget. It can take another container, it can take an image, it can take a row, column. So let's say the things inside this container will be aligned in the center, and let's wrap. Let's style this text, make it white. it in the center widget. So let's see the output. All right. So as you see, the container is a box, which is very easy to style. To have a padding radius for the border radius, and a box decoration. We take the box decoration widget, a box decoration style, where we can have a border radius. Let's say a border radius which is circular of 20, and you will see we have some we are having an error because we are using color and box decoration at the same time. We need to remove color and put the color inside the decoration.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, our fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand.